Hey everyone, welcome to It's Serene's Life. Today I'll be showing you how I did this cream color nail set at home. Let's get started. My latest purchase were for these cute bows from Amazon. It also comes with some flat back pearls, which is nice. To start with prep, I put cuticle softener on my cuticles. I just got mine from Shoppers. After around 15 seconds, I use a cuticle pusher to push back my cuticles. Then nip off any loose bits. Make sure to not nip anything too close to the cuticle, by the way. I've tried growing out my nails in the past, but they haven't really worked out for me since my nails are pretty brittle. So I usually cut my nails all the way to the end before I continue anything. Once I buff my nails, I start measuring the tips I'll be using. I usually use these medium-length almond tips, but I've recently grown more interested in shorter almond tips, so I use these instead. I always make sure my tips fit sidewall to sidewall, and I use a buffer to adjust anything if needed. Once everything is set, I grab the nail drill I got from Amazon and drill the insides of the nail tips. I always work on the lowest speed since I do not have much experience with nail drills. Always be extra careful with equipment you're not familiar with. I also take out my flash curing lamp. Having this is clutch when applying gel extensions since it's difficult to see and position your hands with a big UV lamp. I'm just putting some dehydrator on my nails. By the way, I forgot to film this, but I also put on primer after using dehydrator on my nails. To apply the tips, I put a decent amount of base coat in the nail tips, then flash cure the nails to keep them in place. It's honestly trial and error when it comes to how much gel to put. For me, I have a relatively flat nail bed, so I have to put more gel for there to be an apex. The good thing about flash curing is that if you mess up your nails, it's not too late to fix it. For example, accidentally put too much base gel and there's a bunch of air bubbles, so I'm gonna pop it off and redo them. Once all my tips are on, I cure them under a big UV lamp so that there's no uncured gel, and everything stays in place. Time for the left hand! instead of putting Gel X as a base layer, I'm gonna try using my Polygel kit to seal everything together. How it works is that you put the non-stick solution in the tiny cup, then grab the Polygel and apply it with the metal tip, and shape it using a brush that has been dipped into the non-slip solution. I'll be back when I finish the whole process. Once you shape it, cure it under a big UV lamp to solidify it in place. After putting a white base on some of my nails, I'm switching to a pink/nude color. Another product I got from Amazon are these cute flower charms. They come in pink, purple, white, orange, green, and blue. They are UV sensitive, aka they change color when exposed to UV light. Using this builder gel, I'm applying a white bow to start things off. I make sure to apply a generous amount around the edges of the bow. Next, I apply a good amount of builder gel on my thumbnail. Rather than using my nail powder for color, I like to use highlighters or eyeshadow kits instead. I put some gold eyeshadow on my index and middle finger before sealing it off with a base coat. Using the same builder gel, I place these white flowers on my nails. They turn orange when under the UV light, which still fits the warm theme of this set. I'm assuming the orange one turns white under UV light. I got these flat back water droplets on Amazon a while back, and I love using them to create a dewy effect on my nails. You can technically form these water droplets using some builder gel, but I prefer using this method since it looks more clean and round. I typically keep my pinky nail simple, so I put on this shiny gold nail polish. To finish off this side of my nails, I seal the edges off once more with a top coat, making sure to pay extra attention to the charms. I have seen people advise not to put gel over the charms in fear they won't be as shiny, but personally I like to seal it so that they're extra secured. For my right nail, I recreated the flower design except on my thumbnail and with orange flowers. Feeling a bit experimental, I tried this water droplet design on my right pinky nail. For the others, I put a cream bow with pearls on my index finger, some butterflies and droplets on my middle finger, and a 3D gold heart on my ring finger. Same thing with the left nails, I sealed the design with my top coat while paying extra attention to the charms. I then put on cuticle oil to tie everything together. nail tutorials, let me know in the comments below. See you in the next video.